are continuing on with our phrases that dads say all the time, or at least your dad. And just so you know, a wizard put a spell on Darian, and whenever I snap my fingers, he turns into a chicken.
Not again. No.
All right, today's phrase is, please be quiet. And again, you can DM us for this week's phrase of the day calendar to learn these phrases. Now, I don't know why Hector would ever want to say, please be quiet in our house. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this phrase in one language, and Darian is going to use the random language generator to choose what language we're doing this phrase in. All right, you chose Hebrew. Okay.
Hebrew.
If you already have the $35 phrase book, you can follow in the language of your choice. If not, we'd love for you to join us with this Hebrew phrase, and I'll show you, if you have the book, how to get to the phrase. So to get to please be quiet, you're going to want to head over to Q.
I was going to say S, but I thought.
Wait a second. And we're going to go into quiet, and we're going to do the please be quiet, and we're going to say it to a male. Here we go. Tihiye. Let me start it over again, Darian. I want to make it a little louder. I turned the volume down a little bit. Here we go.
Tihiye.
Tihiye.
Besheket.
Besheket.
Bevakasha.
Bevakasha.
Tihiye besheket bevakasha.
Tihiye besheket bevakasha. I know bevakasha because I've tried that a lot. Was that a lot for you? When you're just starting, it can be like a lot of
brain
sounds.
malfunction. Human form losing memory.
Okay, so human form Darian, we're going to do one word at a time so we can be really happy about it. So let's try that out. Because when you're starting, it's all about how positive you are and how confident you feel. Okay, Darian, do it with me. Listen, here we go.
Tihiye.
Tihiye.
Besheket.
Besheket.
Bevakasha.
Bevakasha.
Tihi.
Wow, Darian, that was really great. High five. So to teach your children this phrase, you would want to say it in Hebrew, and I think you'll get a lot of opportunities. And then you can say, that means please be quiet, and then say it again. And then what would you do? You would be quiet. If you're using this phrase, please tag us on Instagram stories at TalkBox.Mom. We would love to see you there. Bye.